taco, 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 taco. Taco time. Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Shout out to all of my fans. Just want to let you know, today we're going on a sister adventure.
Hey guys, we're on our way.
Hey guys, we're on our way. We're going to Mas Tacos por Favor, one of our favorite destinations in Nashville. Best tacos in town. We're also going to downtown Franklin, which is really, really cool. Very historic, very, very trendy. And we're also going to this really cool place called The Factory. It used to be like a real factory, but they changed it into shopping. Yay!
To shopping!
That's all I have right now.
We are at Mas Tacos and we got our drinks. So good. Is it good? What'd you get?
Kind of tastes like pie, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Really?
It's a little weird.
What is it called?
Hibiscus iced tea, but I also just had gum in my mouth, so like...
Give it a second.
Yeah.
Are there seeds in there?
No.
I think I've had this before.
I've had it, and you tried it. Do I just click?
It's already going. This is the cilantro pineapple. And I think I had it last time. I think it tastes a lot like cilantro and a little bit like pineapple. No, it tastes like more like pineapple.
Really?
A little bit of cilantro.
Last time I had it, it was a lot of cilantro. Can I taste it? Okay. That's so much better than last time.
I know.
had it.
They
I'm
must
mad.
they must have just made it like
Well, did you stir it?
no. Maybe that's why. Don't get your fingers all over my straw. Still pineapple? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yum. So good. Can't wait for the rest. Here you're going.
Juicing it up.
What'd you get? What is
Carne
that?
molitas, spicy beef,
Spicy beef. And what's that over there?
elote.
And what's your favorite?
Mas tacos.
That's called the taco dance. Taco, 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 taco. All right, we got my chicken tacos and my sweet plantains with cream sauce. It's so good. Man, I live for these tacos. It doesn't get better than this. Any little lime. Lime it up my tacos. It's a very important part. Here we go. Oh, these are so good. Except I don't like that.
Chrissy?
Oh yeah. Taco. Mas tacos, por favor, muy bien.
10 out of 10.
Cinco.
That's 5.
Cinco. Oh. Cinco estrellas.
What does that mean?
5 stars.
5 stars. You heard it
5
here,
stars.
people. Heard it here first. Webby. Because she needs coffee. Are we gonna get some?
Probably.
She
Or I
doesn't.
just need to buy things. We'll find out.
You're stressed out?
Stressed out.
Why?
Spent a lot of money and most of it wasn't even mine.
So why?
But now I'm in debt even more than I already am. Debt.
We are leaving Franklin.
Oh no!
Oh no, we're gonna get hit. Oh no!
We're really
gonna get hit. I'll put this down. There's people in the way. Scooch over, Grandma.
Someone's gotta give. Oh my gosh, Jan.
So we are leaving Franklin and we are going to head over to the factory. She was all happy peppy.
Get that dog. Get it. Oh, but look at that dog.
Look at that dog.
I've never seen a dog.
Is that the kind you want, Hannah?
No.
Cute.
Too much.
So to the factory we go.
Yep.
Off to the factory we go, go. This is coffee.
Huh?
Just coffee?
Yeah. Coffee and milk.
You're so crabby. This is gonna be a vlog of just crabby.
Who's surprised?
No
Me.
one. I don't get it. You wanted to. You wore your scarf today just to do this, and then you're just a crab the whole day. We're at a coffee shop, and people are weird.
They're really freaking bougie and too artsy for anyone's good, honestly.
It's so awkward. I'm an artist, but like, this is weird.
She's an artist.
Seriously, this hot chocolate's pretty good. What's this place called? Honest Brew Coffee?
I don't know.
Maybe it's organic. What do you think? Is that coconutty?
Yeah. It's more coconut than chocolate if you ask
It
me.
is. It's kind of even like cold, but
Heard it here first, folks. It's not the best.
okay. So, what are your thoughts on the factory?
I don't
so
like
far.
it. I feel like they're not a craft show, and I feel like this is the kind of thing that like people have been tricked into believing is like trendy and cool.
But it's
But
like
it's
really
not. Oh, okay, they have Jenny's.
Where?
That's cool.
Where? Oh, Jenny's.
And 5 daughters.
So like
Come here for like a good snack.
oh, there's 5 daughters. That's yummy donuts. And there's a taco place and just some other fun things.
Why are we walking this way? Do you want to buy a gumball? I am.
Actually, I wouldn't mind.
2 for 25 cents.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Sweet. We're winning.
This is the only thing this place is good for.
If I get white, or if we get white, I call it.
Stop it. Stop it.
I'll get it.
No.
I thought
It's my money.
I want the white one.
You don't get a white one.
I want the white one. You can have blue if there's blue. Is there white? Purple?
This is blue.
Blue and yellow. Cheers.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
Hi everyone, I have an update. So, as I'm sure you just saw, we just got gumballs from the factory. It's been like
2 minutes.
2 minutes. No flavor.
Gone.
It's gone. So honestly, there was not a single good thing that came out of that experience. And, you know, I thought there was like a ray of light for this gumball. But then I just forgot that gumballs actually have no purpose whatsoever. So, thanks for listening. Be sure to subscribe.
All right, we are headed to the thrift store in Franklin. Pulling in. We are here. It looks really cute. Tzatziki's. Hannah's had it before, right? You've had it before?
Yum.
Is it good?
Yum.
What is it like?
Yum.
What are you drinking?
Yum.
Pretty good. It's really fresh, but very different. I don't think I've had anything that tasted like this before.
Consensus? Yum.